Hi there. My name is Vickie Poole. I'm a board-certified hypnotist, and this program, Quiet Within, a hypnotic journey of tinnitus relief, you will experience a wonderful hypnotic state of focus and relaxation to build up your comfort, refocus your attention, as well as increase your confidence. In this program, you should be seated at a comfortable place that it is appropriate to briefly close your eyes. So, of course, never behind the wheels of a car. And with that, let's begin. Welcome. You've taken a beautiful step today to reconnect with the quiet wisdom within you. Begin by finding a comfortable position, letting your body be supported, letting your breath settle. With each breath in, invite calm, and with each breath out, release tension. Let your eyes close gently now and bring your attention inward. Imagine a gentle wave of relaxation beginning at the top of your head, softening your scalp, smoothing your forehead, softening all the muscles around your eyes. Let your jaw soften and your shoulders relax. This wave moves down through your chest, your belly, into your arms, your hands, all the way up to the tips of your fingers. And gently allow that relaxation to go all the way down your hips, your legs, the bottoms of your feet, and all the way out to the very tips of your toes. Let your breath flow easily and naturally. There's nowhere else you need to be. Nothing you need to do. Just you. Here. And the quiet within. Now imagine a beautiful staircase before you. There are 10 steps leading down to a peaceful place inside of you. With each step down, you drift deeper and deeper into the calmness of you. Now starting with step 10, stepping down. 9, letting go. 8, deeper and deeper. 7, breathe softly and steadily. 6, your mind beginning to let go and quiet. 5, halfway down now. 4, feeling peace rising from within. 3, your body and mind in perfect rhythm. 2, nearly there as we keep going deeper. 1 at the bottom, fully relaxed, safe and present, deeper still. Now, bring your attention gently to the sound you hear. You may hear it clearly or faintly. You may notice it change moment to moment, and that's okay. This sound is simply a sound. It is not wrong. It is not broken. It is not a threat. In fact, you might begin to notice how even in complete silence, there is always sound. The soft hum of life itself, the gentle whisper of existence. This sound is no different. In many ways, it is like white noise, a background hum of life. Think about the sounds you once noticed. Maybe the hum of a refrigerator, the sound of a fan, a distant highway at night, a train perhaps. Sounds that once felt loud, but now fade into the background. You don't even notice that they're there. And your mind can do the same with this. From this moment forward, your beautiful brain begins to classify this sound not as something wrong, but as something neutral, harmless, background. You are safe. You are in control. The sound becomes softer and quieter because your subconscious mind is no longer attaching urgency to it. And the more you relax, the more it fades. It no longer matters because it is simply part of the natural white noise of life. Now, gently bring your index finger and your thumb together. Right hand, left hand, it's up to you. Now press them just enough to feel. This is your personal anchor. Each and every time you bring these fingers together in this way, you signal to your mind, I am calm. I am in control. Now repeat silently or out loud. I am calm. I am safe. This is natural. I am in control. Let every word sink deeper. This gesture, this touch becomes your cue for calm. Wherever you are, whenever you choose. Let's repeat it once more. Press your fingers gently and say, I am calm. I am safe. This is natural. I am in control. You are installing peace in your body, and your body remembers. Gently shift your focus now. Notice the feelings of your breath, the feeling of air entering and leaving. Now feel your feet, where they are, the pressure, the temperature. Listen for a sound in the room now. Perhaps music. Perhaps the gentle hum of your computer. Gentle hum of your fan. Or just the gentle hum of sounds around you. And now, come back to your breath. To your body. To this moment. With every shift in awareness, your mind learns that you are deciding what to focus on. And just like that, the sound of your tinnitus fades to the background, like a breeze, like a soft curtain moving. You are learning mastery of your focus. Now, you have choice. You are free. Now imagine for a moment a peaceful lake at dawn. You're sitting at the edge of the water. You look up. The sky is soft. You notice the air is still. You hear only the gentle sounds of nature. Water lapping. Birds in the distance. Maybe the sound of leaves rustling in the wind. And you look into the lake and you see soft ripples. These ripples are like your tinnitus, moving gently, without meaning, just part of the surface. But beneath those ripples, deep below, is stillness, silence, sanctuary. You drop into that stillness now. You are in the quiet within. Let yourself stay here for a while, connected, centered, feeling the peace that lives beyond sound. From today forward, your brain continues to adjust. The sound you once noticed is now like distant wind, part of the world, not a problem. You are not disturbed. You are in control. You respond with calm. Every time you bring your thumb and finger together, you return to this space right here, right now. A space of clarity. A space of power. You are calm. You are safe. You are relaxed. You are in control. You are well. In a moment, I will count you out of hypnosis, counting from 1 to 5. With each number, begin returning gently to the room, bringing with you all the calm, all the confidence, all the focus, and all the comfort you've created. One, becoming aware of your breath now. Becoming aware of your body now. 2, bringing clarity into your mind. 3, beginning to gently move your fingers, wiggle your toes slightly. 4, feeling refreshed, like you've had a deep, deep rest. 5, eyes open, wide awake, calm, clear, and empowered. You are free. You are strong. You are at peace. And you can return to this quiet within any time you choose. You may notice over the coming days that the sound of your tinnitus fades more quickly into the background. You will find yourself less reactive and more at peace, just noticing the gentle, quiet noise. And each time you return to this process, this recording, it becomes easier. Remember, the power is within you. Once again, this is Vickie Poole at the Enlightened Peach Coaching, and I'll look forward to hearing your feedback on this program. All the services here are based on you, so share in the chat or email me at theenlightenedpeach@gmail.com. The process of change begins with the brief consultation in which we set goals for your best success. Again, I am Vickie Poole, and I'll look forward to speaking with you very soon.